Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the Ultrasonic Blaster, but we're also going to be specifically looking at, we're not going to be looking at it because I'm not going to take it apart, but here's a picture bing, of the new pusher. It is compatible with the AliExpress pusher, which gets about gets about 9.5 darts per second, but that's not very satisfying. So this time Adrian has sent me see if I can get this right, I seem to always struggle with this word, Flywheel the World, yeah, solenoid, which is custom designed and built, as far as I know, for Nerf applications, and that gets about 15.4 DPS in this. Probably can get actually 16 because that's only like 3 milliseconds more shaving off the timing, but I've just gone for round numbers. So the blaster has 3 triggers. This one's completely configurable, but it is the standard Stryfe Rev mode. You got dual trigger here, so that means that you pull this back halfway and you get single or burst, and all the way for auto. So single, okay, burst by changing that, auto all the way back. That was the wrong one, all the way back, wasn't it? Now I realise that it's actually really difficult to see this because it's like 2 frames per dart, per dart, but it makes a great sound. So let's try it against the fence then, maybe that's a bit easier to see. There's a dark fence. Okay, so I watched the video and yellow darts on a dirty background was really hard to see. I've also reduced, so what we've got now is we've got some blue darts. Now these blue ones are they're Cushion 3s, some, and the normal elite darts, but these are ones that have been like 1 million years old, so I have no idea how these are going to go. It's probably a good example of how well it goes with hideous darts. The other ones were AccuFakes. Right, let's have a go. Hope you can see it this time. Oh yeah, man, that is an awesome rough. That makes you feel like you're gonna win. And 9.5 was totally unsatisfying. Over 15, that is awesome. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Bye bye.